my hair okay? My name's Hummel. I am a senior instructor of geography in Oregon State. I teach a range of different geography classes at all levels, mostly sort of undergraduate, baccalaureate, core, large general education classes. Most students that are in my classes are there to check off a requirement. And so that's both a challenge and an opportunity. There's a lot of initial resistance. There's a lot of expectations about what the course is going to be about before it happens. And so I get to kind of dispel that myth. I initially was using Top Hat as a way to seamlessly take attendance and to provide low-stakes quizzes and other assessments in the classroom. That was the initial reason. My ideas about how I use it and sort of the process has evolved quite a bit.
Professor Hummel is innovative. If he sees that students aren't engaged in material in ways that he planned out, he can alter that very quickly using Top Hat. For me, as a student in his classes, it's really helped garner my interest in the material, and being more engaged with him as an instructor really tries to help students succeed. Yeah, he's like my favorite person.
He brings so much energy and excitement around innovation in the classroom and new techniques for reaching students, finding ways to connect with students even in really large classrooms. You know, instead of telling students, put away your cell phones or don't engage with technology while you're in the classroom, he enthusiastically embraces it. I think that level of engagement really speaks to students because they see this as somebody who understands me, appreciates me, cares about me, and sort of authentically wants to connect with me.
I use Top Hat as a way to engage students, to pull them into what's happening in the class, to link up what happens in class and what happens outside and homework and other things. It's less about me getting through a certain amount of content every day, and it's more about figuring out how can I, in a holistic way, treat everybody like they're here, part of this learning community, and they're gonna get what they can out of this experience.
He uses Top Hat as a tool, so then the whole class can participate. I looked forward to seeing how everyone's responses would show up on the big screen, and he would talk about it, like right then and there. He just really cares about the learning process and trying to reach us.
I use it a lot to ask questions, are you getting this? Is this clear? I even do situations where I ask students what they want to do that day. Do you want to have a lecture that's more focused on an academic intellectual topic? Do you want to talk about some of the ways the career landscape's changing? I'll give them an option, and I'll help them feel buy-in to a large class where otherwise they wouldn't feel like they have much to do with what's going on. Student enrollment is up. My classes are full. I could show you data about test grades improving and stuff like that, but I think more importantly, it's that feeling of being engaged, which is the real test. It's students' ability to reflect on that and decide that it's been helpful for them. I think that's the most important marker.